Hello friends, I am Arav and today I am going to teach you how to create the Move On app. So what is Move On app? So basically in this COVID pandemic time, we are just getting bored. So I created an app which you all can just start it on the mobile, and the games pass in the passes and musical chairs. So you need one person to stop and start the music, but instead of music start and stop, I've created an app which can automatically do that. So you have to click one button to start it, and then it'll play a song and automatically it can stop in any time, not like only one time, like it can stop in 10 seconds, it can stop in 15 seconds. So like that it's gonna stop. And then after that, if in the passes, when someone gets out, you give them a task. So our app also gives it a task. So let's get started. So I'm gonna show you the app. So this is the app, how it's gonna look, the interface. So if I over here click play music button, it's gonna play the music, and it's gonna have random music. Like there are five musics I put over here, so it's gonna do randomizer in all those five. And over here in the settings you can change the time. Like if there are two, three, four people, then you can choose the low, like 10 to 30 seconds the music can stop anytime. But if there are many people, like 10, 15 people, you can choose the high. So over here in between 60 to 120 seconds, that means 1 minute 20 seconds, the uh what do you yeah, so in between 60 to 120 seconds the song can stop anytime. Okay, so we are gonna make this app. So I'm just gonna go to the Thunkables, and we are gonna create a new app. Project name you can create, the project name is Move On. So the project is created and it might take 5 to 6 seconds. Yes, so as you can see, it has been created. So first and foremost, we are gonna just add the buttons. As I showed you in the previous screen, over there, we are just gonna make the buttons. So I'm gonna rename it Start. The text color should be black so that the users can see it properly. I'm gonna change the background color to little bit orangish. I'll change a little greenish. It's your choice. You can change it. No, not this over here. Yes, this over here might be fine. 1 second. Yeah, this is fine. So I'm gonna choose this. And now you have to just make it bigger. Over here, it's not that good. So I'm gonna change the text size to 20, and the height is gonna be absolute size 20. Okay, not 20, 50 should be fine. We'll make it 35. Yes, it's fine. Then we're gonna change the width. The width should be relative size 80. It's starting to look good. We're gonna go down to the border and change the radius to 5. It's completely your choice again, so you can choose it. I like this look, so I'm choosing it 5. And then I'm just gonna make it raised. It looks better like this. Yeah. Now we're just gonna duplicate it. Instead of doing it once again, we're just gonna duplicate it. And we're gonna name it settings. So we'll work on settings in the next part. This is the part 1. Today we are gonna only work on start button. So the settings button, I'm just gonna rename it button, settings button. Then we're gonna rename this to start button. Now how does it look? I know it looks dumb. So what we're gonna do over here, it doesn't look good. So we are just gonna give there some padding. So, not padding, sorry, margin. We'll give it fine 50. Yes. And we'll go to start button and give some bottom margin. this should be fine. Then at the last, we need a label. The label is to show, as I said before, it's gonna show the task you need to do, like dance, jump, tell a joke, tell a poem, like that. So we need a label to display it. So we're just gonna give a margin to the label. I give the margin and we are just gonna decorate it. So I'm changing the color to black. Text is nothing. And then we're gonna change the height and so to make your design look beautiful, just make the labels, buttons, width and height as these buttons. So what was the height? I think so 35. Yes, and then the width was relative size 80. So it looks really beautiful. Then what we're gonna do? We're gonna go here and we're gonna give a radius. If you don't want to give, it's all right. Then what I have to do is we are gonna, like, if we type a text, for example, I'll write arrow. So it looks dumb, like it's on the left side. So we just want to do a text alignment to center. Yes, now it looks better. Now we are just gonna increase the font size to 22. Yes, it's fine. I'm just gonna remove the text. What should we do next? Just gonna rename the label to output label. Output label. Yes. Now we can start with the coding. Yes, guys, we can start with the coding. So over here, what we should do first. So we're gonna come to blocks. Now I'm gonna tell you an amazing thing that we have to also add the component text to text speech. Wait, not text to text speech. Speech recognizer. Yes. So why are we adding this? So for example, the song gets over and you don't want to, gonna give you time and you can again. So it's gonna play again the song. It's so amazing. So for that, we just need one more component, that is text input. We just don't want to do anything most with it. So we're just gonna give it to invisible over here. We just need it, but okay, you understand? Yes. So we added a speech recognizer. Yes, it's fine. Yeah. But guys, hold on. We need the last component, that is sound. Yes, sound. Why you would have sound? You forgot, it's the basic. We need to play the music. So over here, you can just choose a file, song file MP3. So I have some songs downloaded in my PC. I'm gonna share those. I'm just gonna open those files. Where is it? One second, guys. Yes, so you can see I have downloaded some songs. Wait. Yes, like this is one example. This song, it's 1 to 2 minutes. So it says asset added. Yeah. So in part 1, we are just gonna do some the coding thing. We are just gonna do with the design. In part 2, I'm gonna show you the code because I'm getting like over with the time. Yes. So asset added. We're just gonna add a little more songs, 2-3 more songs. Where are they? Hmm. There are songs. I can't find them. Where are they? I think I might have deleted them. So it's fine. You can. I have these two songs. That's fine. So I'll share this APK in the description box. Okay. So if you can add more songs, I'll give you a link of this website, pagalworld.com. You can download MP3 songs for free. I'll just give it in the description. Yeah. So we are done with the design. We just need one more screen. Okay, that's not now for now. Yeah, we can just start with a little bit coding. So I'll tell you, we have to first create variables. So we have to create two variables. But in this part, I'm gonna create only one variable because the second variable is for low, medium, and high, which I told you in the introduction. So we are just gonna do that in the next parts, the coming parts. So we are just gonna initialize the stored variable. The name I'm gonna give it is the random number. So as I said you guys before, that it's gonna play the song, and after that it can stop it anytime, like randomly anytime it can stop it. So for that we need to create a variable called a random number, and after that number of seconds the song is gonna stop. Yes. So next what we have to do is, so then we are gonna go to the start button. Where is it? Yeah, over here. And we're gonna get when start button, click. After that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the variable and we're gonna go to set stored random number. We're gonna go to the list. No, yeah, wait, not in list now. We're gonna go to the math section and get this. So we're gonna get random integer in between of 1 to 30. Not 1, sorry, 10 to 30 seconds. So guys, it depends on you how many members are there. If there are 4 members like me, you can choose the 10 to 30 seconds is the best. It's gonna be really fun. Then next we have to go to the list section and get this. Get this, as you can see. I'll just remove these A's and B's. I'm gonna duplicate it. Yes, now it's fun. Now I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna get this list, shuffle list. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just throw this in the dustbin. And I'm just gonna make it 4. So that it gets randomized very nicely. I'm just keeping these many items. So first it's gonna shuffle this list and then it's gonna pick one of them. I know it's pretty big, but it's all right. So next after this, I'm gonna show you in the part 2. So please see the part 2. I'm gonna just release it, part 2. Okay. Bye guys. See you in my next video. And if you had fun, just smash the like button. And if you are new to my channel, just click the subscribe button. Bye guys. See you in the part 2 video.